All right, so now let's go to the other market left for the show, and that's the crypto market. Yesterday we had the Fair Greed Index in its 30s, and I was getting a bit excited, but I think I did warn myself not to get too excited or not to hope too much, because today the Fair Greed Index is at 27. Yeah, there is back down to the 20s for this morning. So it's very unstable, very uncertain. We know this market is normally very volatile, but at this period of economic headwinds, it's really taking a deep blue. And then we go to the market cap for today, and we see that it's lost that 1 trillion that it had for some days now. I think it started on Thursday, Friday, we had 1 trillion, but now it's back to $995.95 billion, even though in 24 hours it's up, but we know that it lost that 1 trillion. 24-hour volume is at 98.37, up 8.19, and BTC dominance is up 1.15. That's in 24 hours, but not as strong as it would be. And then, well, the other one is that the price of Bitcoin, we know that it had been in 22 for a bit, but guess what? It's now 20,257.83. Doesn't seem like we're moving out of this 20s. I don't even know if we're going to sustain this 20s. I mean, going from 22 to 20, just like that. And then in 24-hour volume is 49.064 billion dollars. The price of Ethereum is also up. At 1,611.18, and its 24-hour volume is 23,068. We have Rume Ofi now to come and help us calm our nerves and see if we expect further downtrend. Hi, Rume, good morning.
Good morning, Ini. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah. You know, Rume, I was getting excited when I saw Bitcoin at 20 and then 21 and 22, and it held it for, I think, over 24 hours. I was hoping at least we'll be going up from there. Now we are back to 20.
Exactly. In fact, I was telling those in my community some 4 days ago, even before the dub, that this is more or less like a trap. You can see what is going on. It as a result of the pullback from the dollar index that saw the market actually go to that level that we saw it. Some persons were even saying now that we have seen the bottom and we're going up. And yesterday, something very bad happened. You know, the whole stock market. Although I was talking to someone yesterday, the stock market in the US actually lost about 3 times more than the GDP of our country at some point. So crazy, though. Affected the crypto market, and we lost about 9% in Bitcoin, and that is to say the less. A lot is happening, and we should brace up for this economic tsunami that is coming. This is not to put fear on anybody. It's an opportunity to buy more if you have the funds. But the truth is, be very careful. Don't get yourself involved in using the money you need for basic things, rent and all of that, to get into riskier assets, because everyone is going to. A stronger dollar only means that cryptocurrencies are going to see down. And this morning, the news coming out from the Luna Gate issue is becoming something else. You know, the Luna cryptocurrency headed by Do Kwon is being issued an arrest warrant by the government of South Korea over there, and it is sending shockwave again to the market. You know, and let's not forget Canada, the Prime Minister there, Justin Trudeau, and the newly elected Conservative Party leader, Perel, is actually coming out to say people should involve themselves in Bitcoin, that it has a capitalization of a fixed value of 21 million, which is correct. But the Prime Minister there is saying that is a bad economic advice, and it's been front and back. So all of these backlash are going to have some things to do with the price, and is sending shockwave to the market. So please, if you can't handle such riskier asset, please, it is better you stay away for now.
Yeah, Rume, I think I like what you said, that people should not use their rents and what they're supposed to use for school fees you know, to think, oh, I can just get into the market and make it double and before I use it for the expenses.
Exactly.
Please.
Exactly. We don't want to hear issue of suicide and all trading riskier assets from, so I think it's good we send that message out so that everybody becomes really careful. Yeah, but we'll see it down very soon. So investors will come. So retailers can also buy the bottom and we smile again. But for now, it is good we advise people to stay and be careful. The mental health is very important. Thank you very much.
Very important, Ruben. Financial health is also very important, Ruben. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
This one, I work no issue.